welcome back to our TEFL project. My name is Tirsa and this is my friend Jessica Koe. And today we're going to talk about vocabulary. First of all, we have to know what is vocabulary. So, vocabulary is all the words that a person knows and uses to communicate. But we have to distinguish the different types of vocabulary. First one, high frequency vocabulary. So, high frequency vocabulary is words that are often used in everyday conversation. For example, I, eat, drink, etc. So, teacher must teach students through speaking and listening exercise so that they are accustomed to use these words in context. The second one, academic vocabulary. So, academic vocabulary is word used in educational and research context. For example, analysis, theory, hypothesis, and etc. So, teacher must integrate this vocabulary into the lesson material, provide example, and practice students in writing and speaking using academic terms. And the third one is technical vocabulary. Technical vocabulary is special terms in a particular field, for example, algorithm, diagnosis, etc. So, teacher must provide clear explanation, use visualizations, and practical examples to make it easier for students to understand. And the last one is low frequency vocabulary. Low frequency vocabulary is words that are rarely used in conversation. For example, narcissistic, epistemology, etc. So, teacher must invite students to become familiar with this word through in-depth discussion and research project, so they understand the context in which they are used. We are going to tell you the types of vocabulary that are relevant to use in classroom. And the first one is high frequency vocabulary. High frequency vocabulary is essential for basic communication and everyday interaction, making it highly relevant for student learning a language. The second one, academic vocabulary. So, academic vocabulary taught to support understanding of subject matter and critical thinking skills, especially at higher levels of education. This is the end of this TEFL project. Thank you so much for listening so far about vocabulary. God bless you!